We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment number 506. Let's go on in. That's the bathroom door on the right. We'll come back to the bathroom at the end, but let's see the main parts of the apartment first. As we go in, you'll be able to see the living space over here. We've got your seating areas. There's an air conditioner in that living room window. The living room space faces to the west, and you can see the TV. And there's a dining table and chairs. Over here is the kitchen. The kitchen will have the refrigerator, there's the dishwasher, and sink and sprayer. There's the microwave and stove and oven, just like the same other kitchen items we have in the other apartments here in the building. There are 2 bedrooms on this side that are across from the living room. Let's go take a look at those. The first one, closer to the kitchen area, is bedroom number 1. So let's go on in. You can see the furnishings will always be the same. You'll have the dresser, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the full-size bed, and there's a closet. We'll pass by the closet real quick. The closets are all the same here in this apartment. This one, I like the position that they put the bookshelf in, kind of at the end of the bed. It's a little different, and I like the placement of that here. We're facing to the west. We'll get a look out the window at one of the next rooms. Okay, so let's go on and see the next bedroom. This next bedroom, bedroom 2, has the same size as bedroom 1. The difference is going to be this one has an extra window. So this is nice and bright. You've got 2 windows because we are at the corner of the building. So this one window, which is a little smaller, this one is facing to the west, and you can see actually past the buildings, there's some nice valley views over there. You can see the hills, it's really pretty. And this direction is facing towards the north. That's the direction towards campus. Those buildings that you see farther along where you can see pieces of tops of buildings, those are actually university buildings. You can see the top of Sage Hall from here. Let's take a look around. So again, the rest of the stuff is the same, the furnishings. You can see the difference of where the bookshelf is. They've moved it, and in this one it's over along the wall. So that's just kind of a different setup of the same layout of apartment or of room. Let's go back across the main living space and see the next bedrooms. These bedrooms over here are numbers 3 and 4. They're over past the living room. And first we'll go into room 3. This one has a very similar square footage to rooms 1 and 2, but it's a more square shape. So it's wider, but a shorter apartment. So more square, the other ones were more rectangular. We're on the west side here, so these next 2 rooms face to the west. So good afternoon light. You do get some sky over, some nice greenery over to the left. As we're in central Collegetown, we're surrounded by buildings on all sides. These buildings across from us here are on College Avenue. Same, again, closet, all the furnishings. Let's go see the last bedroom. This is bedroom 4. Bedroom 4 is the largest room of the bedrooms here in this apartment. So it's definitely got some more floor space than the others. We've got a closet over here. We'll come back and see that. Let's go just peek out the window one more time over this way. So again, a west-facing view. And you can see to the south, more sky over that way. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're in central Collegetown, just up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. This is a 5-floor building. This apartment is on the top floor in the northwest corner. Let's go see the bathroom. There's an elevator in the building. There's a fitness room on the main floor for tenant use. And this one is the bathroom. I like this bathroom. Here in Collegetown Court, this is the largest bathroom we have in any of our apartments. So we've got quite a lot of space in here. You can see the toilet, there's a shelf along that whole wall, the vanity and sink, and you can see the standing tub shower. So this is the largest of our bathrooms here in the building. So again, that's a look at apartment 506. We have this floor plan available on floors 2 through 6 here in this 2 through 5 here in this 5-floor building, and we're on the top floor right now. And we're located at 208 Dryden Road at Collegetown Court. We're just 1 block from campus.